Welcome back, guys, to Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the star of the show. I was wondering, is it correct to say, is she coming? Or, where did you find her? She and her. Would you like to know how to use them correctly in a sentence? Great. Let's watch. Hit it.
Question of the week. Profe Angela, what is the difference between she and her? Thank you, Sarah, Barranquilla, Colombia. Well, Sarah, she and her are two words that mean almost the same thing, but they are used in different ways. Their similarities are what makes them so hard to separate. The words she and her are both pronouns that are used in place of a noun describing the feminine, a girl or woman, or a female, an animal. Definition and use of she. She is a singular pronoun. It is a word that takes the place of a woman or a girl who was previously mentioned in a sentence. For example, I don't know that girl over there. Who is she? Or, is that Jennifer? She is not the same person I saw in the picture. Definition and use of her. Unlike she, her can be used as an adjective or a pronoun. Her can be used as an adjective when it's the possessive form of she. This is when you're showing something that belongs to the she you've mentioned in the sentence. For example, I found Sarah's blouse. It's her favorite. Her is also a pronoun when it's the object case of she. This is when her is used as a direct object or indirect object of a verb. For example, I didn't know your dog Trixie could fetch. How did you teach her that?
Now for this week's sentence challenge.
Make a sentence featuring she or her. Now remember, 1. She is a singular pronoun. 2. Her can be a pronoun or an adjective. And 3. They both represent the feminine. And if you need help, review the tips in this video and practice.
Hey Sarah, thank you so much for this week's question on she and her. And good luck you guys on this week's sentence challenge. Remember, just type your sentences in the comment box below and I will give you a quick reply. Alright guys, that's it for this week on Ask Profe Angela, where you get to be the stars of your English language learning experience. And remember, if you're my English language warriors, hit that like button. And if you like what you saw, hit the subscribe button and become a part of the APA family. All right, I trust you have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll see you next time. See you.